Hi there. My name is Wayne. This is my wife Darlene. We'd like to talk to you about our recent master bathroom renovation by GI Construction. It was something that we had planned for some time in our new home that we just moved into, but we went to we had three different companies come in and give us estimates, and GI Construction was the one that gave us the best quality and information regarding their estimate. They told us it'd be about 3 weeks to do the job to our liking, and it took all of 3 weeks. But the important thing is the quality of the work, the professionalism, the overall communication between ourselves, GI Construction, and the different crews that would come in and do the work. We're very pleased with the quality of the work, very pleased with everything from GI Construction. I can't say enough about them. On a scale of 1 to 10, I've got to give them a 12 to 15. All I can say is thank you very much.